The operator should check for helicopters landing and taking off. If a crane operator sees or is informed that a helicopter is approaching to land, he should immediately lower his load in a safe, appropriate place. Lower the boom onto the boom rest or dog off the boom at a low angle. Engage the swing lock or parking brake and place all levers in their neutral positions. Shut the engine down and leave the crane after it's secure. Be sure to check and follow your company's helicopter landing policy. If a helicopter is getting ready to take off, it is the responsibility of the person in charge to inform the crane operator that the helicopter has started up. If the crane operator is doing his job right, he is concentrating on the crane's load and most likely will not be able to hear the rotors start up. If you're notified that a helicopter is about to take off, repeat the same shutdown procedure as you followed for a helicopter landing. Remember to always first lower the load and then the boom. The reason you lower the load first is that you can overload your crane by as much as 3 or 4 times its rated capacity by lowering the boom with the load still attached. Remember, the greater the radius, the lower the capacity, and the smaller the boom angle, the lower the capacity.